The camera you've been waiting for is finally here, and it is nothing like what the leaks predicted. For the last year, the photography world has been whispering about the successor to the legendary R6 Mark II. We heard rumors of a minor spec bump, maybe a slightly better battery, or a faster autofocus. But today, Canon didn't just announce a new camera. They announced a shift in the balance of power. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III has officially landed, and it is a 32.5 megapixel beast that is currently making the competition look like they're stuck in 2022. If you are a professional wedding photographer, a wildlife enthusiast, or a filmmaker looking for the ultimate hybrid tool, stop what you are doing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the most important camera release of 2026, and there is one specific feature, hidden deep in the video specs, that is going to make you want to sell your current gear immediately. Let's address the massive elephant in the room, the sensor. For years, the R6 line was defined by its 20 to 24 megapixel sweet spot. It was good, but for many pros, it wasn't enough for heavy cropping. Canon heard you. The R6 Mark III features a brand new, high-speed 32.5 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. This isn't just about more pixels, it's about the quality of those pixels. Borrowing technology from the Cinema EOS C50, this sensor offers a dynamic range that was previously reserved for cameras twice its price. We are talking about 15 stops of dynamic range in Canon Log 2. Imagine shooting a high-contrast sunset and being able to pull detail out of the shadows and highlights with zero noise. This is the Mini R3 we've all been asking for, but it's packed into a body that doesn't weigh 5 pounds. But pixels mean nothing without speed, and this is where the R6 Mark III gets scary. Canon has integrated the Digic X processor with a new focus accelerator engine. The result? 40 frames per second with an electronic shutter. But here is the kicker. The pre-continuous shooting mode. The camera can now buffer up to 20 images before you even fully press the shutter button. If you're a wildlife photographer waiting for a bird to take flight, or a sports shooter waiting for that perfect touchdown, you literally cannot miss the shot. The camera has already seen the future and saved it for you. It's like having a time machine built into your magnesium alloy body. Now, let's talk about the autofocus, because this is where Sony and Nikon should be very worried. The R6 Mark III introduces Register People Priority. This is a feature usually found in the flagship R1. You can literally register the faces of your main subjects, like a bride and groom, and the camera will ignore every other person in the crowd to stay locked on them. Even if someone walks directly in front of the lens, the AI knows who the VIP is. And with the updated dual-pixel CMOS AF2, the tracking is stickier than ever. It doesn't just find eyes. It predicts movement based on deep learning algorithms that recognize animals, vehicles, and even specific types of sports equipment. For the filmmakers watching this, I hope you're sitting down. The R6 Mark III just killed the entry-level cinema market. Oh. 2 words. 7K RAW. This camera can record 7K 60p RAW internally. Let that sink in. You are getting